today is a beautiful Friday morning and we are out to enjoy the sun. Let's go. What we're gonna do today is like try out the unusual stuff. Like in a normal day we wouldn't be able to do it because of the traffic, but today we're gonna do these things. We're gonna roam around the places and enjoy the beauty and beautiful trees that you can see everywhere. Dhaka is famous for their intersection because of all the big trees that you see here. These are the beauty of Dhaka city. And we're gonna enjoy this today. Look at the trees. And really sorry for the dirty window. I happen to park my car under a tree most of the time. And there are lots of things falling from that, especially bird poop. So yeah, that gets the window a bit dirty and very hard to clean, of course. Okay, the winter is over and the leaves are drying off. So these specific trees are yet to shed their leaves. Whereas you could see those trees already did that, but they're still shedding their leaves, they're dry. And within few weeks they're gonna be green and full of life. So we're gonna come back here on this part of the road again to see these trees. They're beautiful. I especially like to take a rickshaw if they allow, sometimes they do, to go through this road and underneath these trees. They are so amazing to look at. Rickshaw rides are best in Dhaka city when there is no traffic, but when there is traffic, see, these leaves are green, so they shedded their leaves already and now they are coming back. Look at them, look at them. Aren't they a beauty? And they're huge. They're more than 20-25 years old. Some of them are like 40 years old. I've seen them since I was a little guy. So, I mean, yeah, there was a flood, but I guess it was 88. So at least 30 years, some of them. They're almost coming back. They're dry. They're golden. They already shed all the leaves. And you can see the construction for the metro rail is taking place over here. Excuse me. And that's why there is a lot of dust and the trees are, you know, there is a beautiful patch of green. They're still building the metro rail over there. I'm gonna go left. This is the Parliament House. And it's a beautiful area. This part is called, on the right side, this is the Chondrima Uddan, the Chondrima Park. cover a lot of ground since there's no traffic, and it's beautiful to drive around this type of situation. See, this tree is beautiful. This is gonna go red just before it's raining, or during that time, April, May, sometimes like that. They're called Krishnachuda, and they bloom. The entire tree blooms in red or yellow, this type of colors, sometimes purple. They're amazing. I hope my camera is doing justice and you can see this. Okay, we're back. Look at these trees. Aren't they amazing? They are amazing. Every year they look different in different weather. It feels like you're driving through a forest. President Guard Regiment. That's a red building made out of red brick. Looks so good. This is the Nurse Training Institute. Midwifery, I guess. Let me read it if I can see. College of Nursing and Midwifery.